Alvin Castine, just a little bit south of the Route 11, Route 9 intersection. And we're going to point our camera south and show the continuing, ongoing construction here at the future Champlain Fire Department building. Looks like a cement truck is here. This is the view looking south. It's just about noontime, but folks are working. The diesel cement trucks are here. And we're standing next to a K&L plumbing and heating vehicle, so it's nice to see local folks involved in this. As you can see, when we were here our last visit, that was quite a ways above ground level, but they've raised that. They've filled the area coming into here. They've filled all that. If you look at the previous video, you'll see what I'm talking about. But a lot of workers here. Today's date is October 11th, 2024. Forgot to mention that part. The roof trusses are here. And again, this has all been raised. The flooring is going in. New fire station, Champlain Fire District. And it's a pleasant day. Temperature in the mid-50s at the moment. Supposed to go into the 60s. It's not bad working conditions today. They've had some hot, muggy days and some cold, windy days. And today is kind of a good mix where they can keep busy and not be overcome either way by the weather. So this is progressing nicely. Again, October 11th, 2024. I thought we'd take a brief look here at the ongoing construction, just a little bit south of the 11-9 intersection here, just outside the village of Champlain.